Today we're going to introduce you to Navigator Business Solutions package for biopharma manufacturers, an SAP Qualified Partner Package solution. Why would you select SAP and Navigator? Well, as we all know, SAP is an industry leader with biopharma companies, offering SAP Business ByDesign, which is a pure cloud ERP solution that provides full business coverage through its suite-in-a-box approach. Navigator Business Solutions has lots of experience in providing world-class solutions to small to mid-sized enterprises, as well as being the largest SAP ByDesign cloud partner. We also have worlds of experience in biopharma. So to sum it up, SAP delivers the trust of being the largest business software provider in the world, while Navigator augments that solution using SAP's best practices embedded with industry-specific capabilities that take all the capabilities of large enterprise down to the small to mid-sized market. Why SAP Business Design for biopharma? Well, it has inherent features such as multi-company, multi-country, multi-currency out of the box. It has the ability to manage complex supply chains. It has all the traceability provided by lot batch control and registered products or serialization. Its fully embedded production supports GMP for both discrete and process manufacturing. Its embedded quality control allows it to be a ready-to-validate platform. From a compliance perspective, it provides full and complete trace and track, user authorization and logging controls management. Every transaction is marked with date, time, and user that created it. A change log is maintained for every update to a document or master file record, has extremely strong bill of material revision control and variant support. In addition, we provide integration to electronic quality management systems, as well as integration to TraceLink for marketplace transparency. Navigator takes Business ByDesign and enhances it with the following enhancements. So we have product restrictions, location restrictions, supplier restrictions, as well as embedded CAPA, recall management, and sales tracings or sell-through analysis. These are all enhancements to the core Business ByDesign package that make it a great fit for biopharma industries. One of the things that people want to get out of a solution, specifically in the cloud, is rapid implementation and predictable costs. Navigator uses its patented implementation approach that gets you live in weeks, not months. It's a fixed scope, fixed fee, prepackaged solution that provides a rapid time to value. We have a number of life science customers that are customers for life, which is the Navigator Business Solutions approach. And so why SAP Navigator is the right solution? Well, just to recap it, on time and on budget, fixed price and fixed scope really isn't just a goal of ours, but a contractual commitment to your success. SAP is a leader in business management software and a leader in the biopharma manufacturing industry. ByDesign, delivered by Navigator, provides a best practices-based approach with customer-centric implementations. We know life sciences and have successful customers that are already FDA validated. We provide premium domestic how-to support with continuous weekly training and customer for life. It really is the basis for everything we do and the reality of our model. If you want to find out more information about Navigator Business Solutions offering for the biopharma industry, please contact me.